Welcome to the future of data science education. Are you ready to unlock your potential and dive into the world of data science? Our free courses with certification are designed to empower learners of all levels, whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills. With expert-led instruction, hands-on projects, and real-world applications, we're here to make learning data science accessible, engaging, and impactful. Our comprehensive curriculum covers everything you need to master data science. From foundational concepts like data analysis and visualization to advanced topics such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, we've got you covered. Each course is carefully crafted to break down complex ideas into easy-to-understand lessons, ensuring you not only grasp the theory, but also gain practical experience. Through interactive labs and real-world projects, you'll apply your knowledge to solve problems and build a portfolio that showcases your expertise. What sets us apart? Our courses are taught by industry experts who bring years of experience and insights to the table. They'll guide you step by step, offering valuable tips and tricks to help you succeed. Plus, our content is constantly updated to reflect the latest trends and technologies in the fast-evolving field of data science. You'll stay ahead of the curve and be equipped with the skills employers are looking for. The best part? It's all completely free. Yes, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, and upon completing a course, you'll earn a certification that you can proudly add to your resume or LinkedIn profile. This certification is your ticket to unlocking new career opportunities, whether you're aiming for a role as a data analyst, data scientist, or machine learning engineer. Join our vibrant community of learners and professionals who are passionate about transforming data into actionable insights. Share ideas, ask questions, and collaborate with peers in our forums and discussion boards. Together, we're building a future where everyone has the tools to thrive in the digital age. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, explore our free courses, and take the first step toward mastering data science. Your journey to becoming a certified data science expert starts now. Empower your future, learn data science for free, and transform your career today.